workshop where
come
all
through.
the action happens.
We'll start at the heart of the core of the race team. This is the engine shop.
Little Ford Windsor there.
Yeah, well, they're a 5 litre Windsor.
Yep.
They punch out about 650 horsepower, so not very little, so to speak. We do our own engines, manufacturing, assembly. We've got our in-house dyno here, so one of the very few teams that still does our own product, I guess, as an engine. Yeah, if we come further down here, we've got this is our dyno facility. So this is where we run engines in, tune them, and put them through their paces before we put them in the car. Because ultimately, we need to be able to put an engine in and go, 100% straight out the gate.
Do they get checked after every round?
Yep.
On here.
Yep. We baseline them. We've always got to ensure we're keeping maximum horsepower. In the car, because it's so important that we maintain maximum performance, and every little bit counts.
How many engines would you have?
Yeah, we've got 16 engines in total. Obviously, we operate with 5 cars, so we've got 3 main VCS cars this year. We've got the wild card car with Thomas, and obviously we've got our Super 2 car.
I guess a lot of people would always ask, what sort of life would you get out of an engine before a freshen up? That doesn't necessarily mean anything's wrong.
Yeah, well, this year and last year the rules mandate you've got to be able to achieve 5,000 kilometres before you can tear the engine down and rebuild it. And after the 5,000 k's, they're fairly well used. So we'll do a full cylinder head rebuild. New pistons, conrods, and everything goes. We crack test the block and crank and all the hard parts. They seem to do, they can do 20 to 30,000 k's before they're out of life. But certainly all the rotating assemblies, they get replaced every 5,000 k's. So just down to the sheer stresses of them.
Just touching on the oil system, Ryco, the reason we're here, obviously Ryco is your filtration partner?
Yeah, so we couldn't be happier with the actual oil filter they're supplying with us at the moment. We went down to the R&D department when we first were introduced to Ryco, and extremely impressed. We've actually gained 1 or 2 horsepower out of their system. So we're more than impressed with what product they.
And this is the Syntec range. So roughly, what's something like this worth? I'd be thinking up around 6 figures for a complete engine.
Oh and some. I mean, look, it's really hard to put an exact figure, because a lot of it is bespoke to us.
Yes.
There's
a lot of R&D, isn't there?
Yeah,
put a price on.
We design our own cylinder head. We design our own intake manifold systems, and it is very hard to put a price on it. But look, if you had to try and sell it in the open market, I mean, you could probably ask between $140,000 and $160,000 by the time you put $20,000 price tag on exhaust and all the rest of your internals. They're such an expensive unit. So,
and that's not touching on all the electronic side of it.
That's
extremely
right.
Expensive too, isn't it?
Yeah, I mean, obviously we run Motec systems, which is also you don't get much change out of about $25,000. So already just with electronics and exhaust, you're at around 50,000. You haven't even bought a pair of cylinder heads and block and crank so you wouldn't get much change out of about 160, I reckon.
Oil and fuel system is obviously an integral part of any supercar. Do you want to give us a bit of a run through from the back to the front?
We rely very heavily on the Z5000 fuel filter system. We run a twin filtration system because obviously we need to have the cleanest fuel possible.
Yep.
Basically, it runs from the fuel tank all the way through the cabin into the engine.
And these are all obviously Ryco off-the-shelf parts you guys use, yeah?
Yeah, that's right. It's the same as the oil filter. The average person can go and buy it off the shelf and put it in their high performance or standard road car. It's a good collaboration that Ryco have built with Tickford. We prove the parts on our race cars. and then they offer that to their everyday customers.